So here's the first grape eating contest with Nicole Ravis, Caitlin Worth, and Fred McLaughlin. Happy?
Can I have 10 here?
I have 13.
9, 10. 1,
Can we
2,
all
3,
get 13?
4.
I'll have one.
So one more each of you.
So 11.
And I gotta get rid of 2. So we'll leave these as extra.
Yeah.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, they each have 13.
11.
2, 4,
And how many extra do we have?
4.
Yeah, I have 11.
I'll have one more.
So here, no, hold on. Don't get each. Now we'll have 12.
And I'll have
extra.
another
Oh,
one.
these would be extra grapes in case we can fit more in our mouth.
Ready?
Now, when you can't fit, if someone is.
Oh, and you can't bite them.
Okay, but if like one of you isn't going to be able to finish it,
Yeah.
or do it, spin them in the water and I'll take them in. You guys have bad diseases, do you?
No. I have herpes. No,
no, alright, yeah. You have nothing like that, right?
No.
Okay, then I'll take them and eat them, alright?
Okay, ready?
Okay. Ready? Okay, go.
Are we having a race?
Look at Fred. Look at that. Stop go. Hold on. Look at them. And I'm here to make you laugh, right? Look at that mouth. Jesus.
Yeah, 14. But take the other 2.
You have to be able to close your mouth. Wait, open up a little. Okay, go. There we go.
I can do 28. Give me some grapes.
You want some
Give me
more?
some grapes.
Spit them out.
Why not?
Ew. You're gonna eat those? Please.
Oh, awesome.
He's gonna go wash them.
Okay, so you have 14 in your mouth right now. Okay, we got a countdown. You can double that.
Are you serious, Fred?
I
I can't believe you just washed the grape.
My mouth might be.
Go.
My mouth might
I don't
stay
care.
open. Okay.
Go.
Well, 14.
14.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so do it slow.
No. Wait, hold on. 16. 17. You're like a chipmunk.
18.
19.
20, 21.
Looks like you got really bad, like, both.
20.
20, 21. 22. 23.
You look really fat.
24. 25. 26.
Where do they go?
27. 28.
2 more.
29. 30.
Stop.
31. 32. 33. 35. 36.